Hello friends, today let's find out hydronium ion concentration if pH is given. So hydronium ion concentration from pH. Suppose pH is given, that's 4.4, and we have to find out hydronium ion concentration. Now we know that pH is minus logarithm of concentration of hydronium ion. So we can write down this now, substituting the value. Now this minus 4.4, we can also write down this just by adding and subtracting with 1. So it makes no difference. This is same as minus 4.4 only. Now minus 4 and minus 1. Now we are going to solve it separately. This will become minus 5 and 1 minus 0.4 is 0.6. Actually, why we do this? Because this part is the mantissa and this is the characteristic. This is characteristic, and characteristic can be positive or negative. But mantissa is always positive. So that's why we do it like this. Now, this characteristic is same as power. So it will appear as power, and we just have to find out antilog of 0.6. So taking antilog of 0.6, which comes out to be 3.98 times 10 to the power this minus 5, right? So this is how we can find out antilog, means concentration of hydronium ion if pH is given. Now in some countries calculators are allowed. So we can also find out pH, hydronium ion concentration from pH using calculators. We will write down first same way. Now this also can be written as 10 raised to power minus pH. This is a rule of logarithm. Means if you want to remove this log, this will appear as power 10 raised to power minus pH. Okay. Now we can write down this in this form, substituting the value of pH, that's 4.4. Now you just have to find out this from a calculator. Using calculator, just find out the value. It will come out to be same 3.98 times 10 to the power minus 5. Right? Now suppose we have pH to be 7.52. Now how we can find out concentration of hydronium ion? First of all, we will write down in the same way. Now substitute the value 7.52. Again we can split it up and adding and subtracting with 1. This will come out to be minus 8, which is the same as characteristic. Now 1 minus 0.52 is 0.48, which is the mantissa. Now taking antilog again of 0.8. So hydronium ion will be 3.02 times 10 to the power minus 8. Clear? This will appear as power, and this is mantissa, for which we have to find out the antilog using antilog table. Now again we can use if calculators are allowed, then also we can find out using calculator. We can write down this in this form. Same way. Now substituting the value, this comes out to be right. So you will get same value. Now suppose if pH is 0, then if you use means if you see the antilog table, you will see that antilog of 0 is 1. Okay. Now if pH is 2.50, now I am just writing it directly because I hope till now you have understood the things. This will come as -3. This will be 0.5. Take antilog of 0.5. So hydronium ion concentration will be 3.16 times 10 to the power minus 3. So isn't it very simple to find out antilog, right? That was all for today. In the next class we will discuss how to find out pH for a base. Means if you are just given with OH ion concentration, and then how to find out pH for that. Okay, so bye for today.